The next step is to start designing your space. So you click on Design Your Space tab, and a series of tools should appear on the left hand side once it stops loading. There we go. And you've got a series of colours and you've got a series of textures. Now they can be used on the walls or the floor. It's up to you. So I'm going to have a nice white plaster on the wall. So you click on it, and then if you hover over the wall there, it will say wall, and you can click and it will change. So the idea is you go around and you change the space to how you wish. So I'm just going to do those. You need to make sure that you do the part above the doorway as well, if you've done doorways. So do all the sections that you can see from the viewpoint that you've got. Then click and hold to go round so that you can do the sections that you can't see. Okay. So if you click back on the texture, you'll be able to access your view. You should be able to scroll around it, that's it. You just got to get the right angle. So then click back on the texture and do the sections that you couldn't see from that viewpoint until you get them all done. So the same applies with the floor. You're going to be choosing a texture or a colour for the floor. So I'm just going to scroll it around, do these last bits that I couldn't see on that last view. Okay, it's a bit easier with a mouse. If you're using a mouse, it is a touch easier. Okay. So make sure you don't leave any sections behind, do them all. So I've put a nice sort of cream plaster on the walls. That's all the sections completed, just there. So this door is the start of the exhibition and that marks it there. So for the floor, you can choose any floor you like. It's up to you, but if you click over the floor, it will change and it will say floor, and you can click on it and it will change it. You can do all the sections that you want. So that is designing your space, changing the floor and the walls.